Good morning, guys. We have next beautiful day in beautiful island Bali, and today we are in beautiful villa Karner Jimbaran Villa. We have 3-bedroom villa just for us with private pool. It's amazing. I will take you on the tour. Right now we are just going to the gym, we are going to work out a little bit, so let's go! We just found the gym. It's very nice gym. It's nobody here, so we are here alone. It's very nice. You have air condition here, of course, radio, dumbbells. And here, ladies and gentlemen, we have also the shower with bath, so you can take a bath even in the gym. You can have a shower in the gym. It's so amazing here. You have water here for free, so it's very good. We just finished our workout, so we are going back to our villa. Guys, it's next beautiful day in Bali, in Jimbaran, and in the morning it was raining a little bit, but right now it's very good. I think it will be sunny day, and it's sad day because we have to leave this amazing villa. It's called Karner Jimbaran. These villas are amazing. We had 3-bedroom villa. We have one outside shower, one inside shower, then the second inside shower and third inside shower, and also one bathroom with jacuzzi. So it's just unreal, really. It's just like dream house, really. And also this pool, it's very nice. Everything is private, nobody can see you here, so it's very nice. So if you are in Jimbaran area in Bali, I highly recommend to book this villa because it's just amazing and I don't want to leave. So if you are in Jimbaran in Bali, make sure to come here because this will be one of the best stay you will ever have in your life. It's just really so amazing. So now we will go, so see you, bye bye.